Guys, I'm here with one of my close friends, Ps5, and show you something very exciting. So I recently was trying to get the PlayStation 5 just like everybody else, and I tried different ways, and I got lucky on GameStop. This is not a sponsored video. I bought this the hard way, where I sat there, clicked on the buttons a few times, more than a few times. Remember?
Yeah, I remember.
Ended up getting it, and guess what? They sent me the games separate, and I got a bundle packet, and the bundle, the actual video games are coming separate. So I'm gonna be unboxing of PS5 with T, and show you what it looks like. This is gonna be awesome. So safety first. Always cut away from your body. Ooh.
Look at that.
Would you look at that?
Would you look at that? Controller.
The controller. And here comes the big boy. Ooh.
Woo. That's Seto Kaiba.
Seto Kaiba. Alright, so this is the PS5 everybody's been waiting for. I don't even know, I feel like I don't even deserve this anymore. What do you think?
No, the year's been good to you. I feel like you deserve this thing.
This is nice. I'm excited. I can't wait to play. What do you guys think? Let us know. Link in the description. Link in the description. What link am I putting?
I don't know.
But yeah, I can't believe they sent me this, but they sent me the games separate. I bought them together. You would expect them to send it all together, but they didn't. Funny thing is, I get this before New Year's and the games are coming a week later.
Yeah, it's interesting. Like the whole process of the PlayStation and the holiday season and the hype, the rush and everything. Poor Xbox, right?
Right.
They just were like sitting there like, well, we'll get what we can take.
So tell me, T, what game do you want to play on this? What game do you think you see yourself playing the most?
I'm curious to see what the remastered Spider-Man from PS4 on the PS5 is going to look like graphic-wise.
Ooh,
so
that's gonna be nice. I want to try the Call of Duty. I'm going to see how that goes. I like first-person shooter. It's been a while since I played. And then a lot of people have been talking about Cyberpunk.
Yeah.
You know?
At least with this one, they won't look all glitchy and stuff like the PS4 version.
People getting stuck in the
walls.
Like,
They're butt naked riding on top of random characters.
Oh man.
Oh man.
It's going to be exciting. Well, see you guys soon.
Yep. Thanks for watching.
Alright, so let's take it out of the box. Safety first. Always cut away from your body. Ooh, this is exciting. Here's some instructions how to take it out of the box. Okay, let's see what we have. We have booklets. One's in English, the other one's in foreign language. I'm guessing Spanish. We have cord and the controller. This is nice. Looks pretty good. The buttons are nice. you have the controller charging port, HDMI cable, and this is the station, the base station to hold it. Shot. Just in the shot, the whole thing. The PlayStation symbols. Alright, so the way this goes on the stand is pretty simple. I'll show you guys. If you want to put it flat, then have this piece all the way to the side, and you can fit the PlayStation on here flat like this. However, we're gonna stand it up. To stand it up, take the stand on the back. This can rotate. Grab it gently and rotate it. So until you hear a click. And then this goes on the stand just like this. Bam. To secure it on the stand, when you turn it upside down, you will see a screw. Take it out, and this is gonna go through here and hold the PlayStation down. This there's a rubber piece down here that you have to take out, or plastic piece I should say. This gets removed, and then it's pretty simple. You put it, you take this, and then you screw it through. And you take a screwdriver, flathead, and then screw it all the way down. Take a screwdriver and screw it in. Gently, don't over tighten it, enough to hold it. Bam. So, this is where we're gonna plug it in. This is where the power cord goes, HDMI, 2 USB, and Ethernet. Since my internet is pretty strong, I don't need to put the Ethernet, but I'm gonna put power cord in the HDMI. One good thing is if you have your old power cord, honestly you can use that one on it because it's the same. However, it goes right here. Doesn't matter which direction, but it should be good. You can do a side-by-side comparison of the PS4 and the PS5. Honestly, I think the PS4 looks better. It's nice, slimmer, it's very, very sleek. It goes on the table pretty well. This is just really bulky and heavy and big looking. But it's a PS5, so